Oh, baby, do I have a doozy for you today? Everybody is talking about how to make money using AI, but the problem is a lot of times those options are complicated, they're not easy to understand, or they're oversaturated. But I'm about to put you onto the game, and I'm going to tell you how you can use AI to make money in a way that nobody is talking about. Using something that many people are overlooking, but we all use them. It's with apps. Okay, I know you don't have any coding experience. You're not tech savvy. It's all good, baby, because I'm about to show you how you can use AI to create an app in minutes and use that app to be able to earn you a passive income. Oh yes, we are getting the bag in this video, y'all. I'm gonna use Hostinger Horizons, their new AI feature, and use it to give you a full demo of how I am gonna create my app in minutes to make money on my other brand, Nikki For Real. Oh yes, I'm really changing the game in this video. Plus, even if you have no clue as to what type of app you can possibly build in minutes to get this bag, you just gotta stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to give you several ideas that are ahead of the trend. Ideas that will really hit so that you can make this money and have another form of income coming in from this simple app that you make in minutes. But you know what you got to do. Hit that algorithm in the face and let YouTube know that you like money making content. And the way that you do that is by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, if you're new here, make sure you drop a comment so I can say, hey. But now that we got that out of the way, let's get into how to make money using AI in a way that nobody's talking about. Let's go. I talk a lot about side hustles on this channel, but if you know me, you know I love AI. And so when I found out about Hostinger Horizons, I was like, I am on board. I always wanted to make an app. Now, one thing that a lot of people don't realize is I don't just have Nikki Connected. I have Nikki For Real. That's my lifestyle brand. And even though Nikki For Real is a much smaller platform for me, I still use that to make money selling products, also teaching people about creating content and sharing my own behind the scenes content. So in this video, I want you to see how no matter what size of a brand that you have, even if you're just starting out, you can create this app using Hostinger Horizons in minutes and be able to build a brand, have an app, because everybody and their mom uses apps. But we're not going to do it the hard way. We're going to do it the easy way and use AI to do it for us. Let's dive into my computer because I'm going to show you how I'm building my app, the way that I'm going to make money with my app, and then again, I am going to show you how you can actually build your app in minutes and make money with several ideas that I have for you. Just stick with me. Check this out. The first thing I did is come over here to the Hostinger website. Even if you don't have a website yet, their AI builder can make you one in minutes. So once inside the dashboard, Horizons is available right there on the left-hand side. So let's try it out. What I love about this is you can type in a simple prompt, just like any other AI. If you've used AI, you can use this easily. But before I type in my prompt, I want to check out the templates. Yes, they have pre-made templates for both websites and apps in here. They make our life so much easier over here. Okay, so I'm scrolling through and I decided, you know what, I'm just going to go out on a limb and I'm going to just talk to the AI and let the AI create it from scratch. So I already knew what I wanted my app to do. But even if you don't know what you want your app to do yet, stay tuned because I'm going to give you some ideas. So I put in the prompts, gave it some details as to how I wanted my app to operate, and this AI got to work, baby. And while I was waiting for the app to be built, it actually walked me through to let me know like what to expect and how to use it. And oh my goodness, look, within 5 minutes, I had a fully functioning web-based app. The AI did everything, the wording, it even made it match my Nikki For Real brand. This looks like perfection to me. So let's go ahead and hit that publish button, baby, so that my app can get out there. A click of the publish button and my app is ready. So let's check it out. So once somebody logs in, they will see the beginner roadmap. This is my home page and they can choose a niche, optimize their bio, all that good stuff. Y'all have to check out the app, okay? Now, there is a niche finder in here, right? So you can figure out what type of niche you would be a match for, and it will give you ideas on the type of content to create within that niche. Oh yes, this thing is smart, and AI did this in minutes, y'all. So you can track your brand deals, plan your content, and this is what I really love, a rate calculator. So you can take the guesswork out of how much you should charge the brands. This will tell you based on your follower count. Now stay tuned, because I'm going to tell you how you can use Hostinger Horizons to create an app that earns you money. But the way that I'm doing it is I'm allowing people to upgrade to my elite influencer system to find even bigger and better brand deals. Now you're going to need a web address to create something like this, but guess what? Hostinger is going to give you a free domain as long as you get a 1-year plan. So you got to have an address for people to visit your app, right? So they're making it so much easier for us. And guess what? You will get 10% off if you use the code Nikki10. So make sure you use the link in the description. Sign up for Hostinger. You can create your app with Hostinger Horizons, and make sure you get at least the 1-year plan so that you can get that free domain. So now that you see how easy it is to build a web-based app using Hostinger Horizons, let me tell you how to really get to the bag, y'all. So there are several ways that you can make money from this app. The way that I'm doing it is I'm offering a freemium version, okay? So what that means is I'm offering a basic version of my app for free. It's not going to cost anybody anything. So if you want to sign up for my app, I will put the link down below. The thing is, for people to access the premium version of my app and access my elite influencer system so that they can really get to those brand deals, then they will get charged for the upgrade. Another way that you can make money with your app is to have a simple subscription. You can charge $5 or $10 a month for people to access your app. This is the holy grail. Passive recurring income. Another way that you can make money with your app is by doing a pay-per-use version. And you can charge a tiny amount for each time somebody creates something within your app. Like for example, if they wanted to get a list of ideas, they would pay for each time they access a new list. Another way you can make money with your app is to have a one-time fee. So you could charge them a one-time fee and then give them lifetime access. No matter which of these options that you choose, these are all lead generation options. So every time somebody signs up for your app, you can have it so that you're collecting their email address, which means now you have access to them outside of social media, outside of any other platforms. You're not at the mercy of using somebody else's platform to get the word out. If you release a new product, you can email your app users directly. I know what y'all are thinking.
Nikki, I don't know what kind of app that I can create with this.
Here's a few ideas for you. Let me tell you something. There are people out there that have created apps that simply remind you to drink water, and they are collecting thousands of dollars doing this, okay? We're not just jumping on these trends, we gotta get ahead of the trends. The first idea I have for you is an AI meal planner app. People are struggling to try to figure out how to lose weight, how to eat healthier, how to build muscle. The app can spit out a full weekly meal plan to help them meet those goals, and you can collect your bag. The second app that you can build, the local business review responder. As a small business owner, it can be so difficult to stay up on responding to every single request and email. So you can help business owners that don't have time to reply to every Google or Yelp review. So your app can allow them to paste a review, and the AI will come up with a professional, clean response based on their business and their business's information. So you would be saving these business owners hours each week, which is incredibly valuable. And when you're talking about business, the price goes up. The third idea I have for you is a viral post generator. Both marketers and content creators are desperate to grow on social media, so you can tap into that. You can create an app where somebody enters a topic or a link, and the AI generates 5 to 10 viral style posts for Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. So you're not just saving them time, but you're also giving them a formula for engagement. And engagement is really important on social media. We all know that, right? These ideas that I just dropped in this video, they may not be billion-dollar ideas. They're better because they're simple. They're easy to implement. They are realistic, okay? You just have to do the darn thing. Head on over to Hostinger. I'm going to drop the link down below so that you can access Hostinger Horizons and you can build an app within minutes. And I want to hear from you. Was there something that I said in this video, one of the app ideas? Are there any that stand out to you? Are there any that you're like, I absolutely have to try this? Or is there something in this video that I didn't name that you would suggest to other people? Let's talk about it in the comments. And I'm telling you, that Hosting a Horizon had me like, what? Chow, honey, chow. So I'm going to really dig into this app, and I'm looking forward to actually being able to expand Nikki for Real using Hostinger once again. They already built my website. Now they're building my app. It gets no better than that. But I do need one thing from you guys. I need you to let me and the YouTube algorithm know that you like this money-making content. The way that you do that is by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, I'm going to tell you, this whole AI thing, this is not new to Nikki Connected or for the Nikki For Real brand. Like I said, I used Hostinger to build my Nikki For Real website in minutes. You want to know how I did it? Check out this video. Oh, you don't want to miss this one. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and